Hello ladies and gents, today I'm going to be showing you my new exhaust, or old exhaust, but yeah, so here we are. So this is my exhaust all the way down to the back, down to the front of the car. So this is the muffler which comes out, and then that's the exhaust. I'm going to place you around about here somewhere, and then you'll be able to hear my car and what I've done to it. So I'm going to hop into my car and turn my car on and show you. Yeah, so I did a video about two to three, or last year, of me revving my exhaust. So my exhaust was upgraded to a better exhaust, but I do not have any clips of the old exhaust on the car. Sad. But that's all for today's video, and I hope you enjoy that exhaust better than the old one. So, see ya.